Driving through downtown DC, currently 14th Street. Places are jacked up here. It's kind of hard to hold a camera and drive, but someone's got to do it. Traction control is off because that's the only way I can get traction here, actually. Whiteout conditions. Crossing Pennsylvania Avenue. 14th and Pennsylvania. Oh wow, a little bit of pavement out here actually. Kind of ironic. Good thing this isn't ice. Alright, passing the mall. The Washington Monument is on the right, and it is barely visible. You gotta stop here. Barely visible. There's looking left. Look at the snow just blowing. Alright, come on, light. There we go. Going's always the hardest part. So got a little uphill going here. Can't see barely anything. Ooh, gotta get in the center. There we go. Wow, this is actually the best plowed street that I've been on so far. Whoa, guy, no, come down. Passing the Holocaust Museum. On the right. I was making a U-turn in front of me. Alright. Hopefully I'm getting to the bridge. Pretty sure. Well, I can actually see anything. Subaru in front of me. Look at his all-wheel drive ghetto. Alright. Get the fuck out of here. There's the tidal basin. Can't see anything. Windshield wipers are getting iced over. Okay. Alright. Is the HOV lanes gonna be better or the regular? Definitely not the HOV lanes. Definitely not the HOV lanes. almost in Virginia. Almost. There goes Jefferson Memorial. We are on the 14th Street Bridge. Crossover. Alright, there's actually lanes cleared here, so this isn't bad. See how the ramp is, though. That guy's in the HOV. Of course, he's at a Bronco. That thing will not be denied. Good thing I didn't take the HOV ramp. I would not have been able to get through that, I don't think. Alright, now the real test. Can I take Route 1 exits? It's alright. Downshift. My windshield wipers are getting completely iced over. I think I'm almost home. Car says it's 22 degrees outside, but usually overestimates by 2 or 3. There's Crystal City. What little you can make out of it in the blizzard. Anybody's going to be flying in or out of here for a few days. Look at this. Completely white. I know there's road. You just have to stay on it. Unfortunately, I'm the only one. Makes this a lot easier. Wipers are effectively doing nothing now. I should just turn them off. Stop, but you never know. There's absolutely no one out here. This is like abandoned